Alright guys, today's video will be showing you how to replace a shift angle sensor on a 2007 Honda Rancher 420 electric shift. And first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take a 10mm and you're going to have to drop the skid plate right under that drive shaft boot. And this right here is what that little skid plate is. It's plastic and it's held on with two 10mm bolts. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull those two Allen key bolts holding the sensor on. Then I'll use vice grips or some type of pliers to get that connector off without breaking it. I do not know exactly what size it is, but I do know that you're going to want to socket like this, a socket end Allen key. As you can see, I removed the bolts from the sensor, holding it in place, which look like this. Be very careful with them because they will strip the heads on them. So make sure you don't torque those too tight either when you reinstall this. But next, all I have left to do is unplug that sensor, reinstall the new one, and reverse the whole process back together. Also, one step not to forget, gonna need to remove this O-ring right here on the outside. I already did and put it in my new one that I plugged in down there. And next, after you've removed the O-ring, put it in, lined it up, put the plug in. I recommend you put dielectric grease when you put the plug in. And next is all that's left is to install those two bolts that secure the sensor and then the skid plate. That's how you install a shift angle sensor on a Honda Rancher 420. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.